Technically, Six Sigma is a statistical terminology about sigma levels are a measure of variation. But Six Sigma as a methodology has been around since the late 80s, and it is used now either as a toolkit for improving processes, or in some cases as a transformation program to change the culture of an organization. Six Sigma and Lean started as two different things. They are two different things. They're both improvement methodologies. They both came into the sort of corporate consciousness around the same time, the late 80s, early 90s. The reason someone would start with a yellow belt is because it's a way to dip their toe in the water, right? It's a one-day class, it's foundational. There's a lot of vocabulary specific to Six Sigma methodology that people get exposed to in this class. In this yellow belt class, we talk about what I call statistical thinking. We don't actually do any of the statistics. That starts with the green belt class, and then the black belt class gets into it even more. But it definitely, I think, gives people a frame to look forward to what kinds of process improvement they're going to do and who they might need to do that with and what kind of skills or capabilities are required. We do an inspection exercise and show the limitations of inspection as a way for ensuring quality or for catching defects. We do the airplane exercise, which is really an exercise around data collection. Fly the airplanes to generate data points, just because it's more fun than some other ways, and it gets people up out of their chairs and moving around. And then we also spend a pretty good amount of time talking about data collection and data analysis, graphical data analysis. So again, that's that statistical thinking piece, more than statistics. And then we do things like a fishbone analysis for root cause analysis. It's designed for people who don't know anything about Six Sigma to get them familiar with the concepts and to make them aware of some of the foundations of it. For sure, people who are interested in process improvement, for sure people who might be working in an organization where they're using Six Sigma in part of the organization and they want to increase their skill set, or people who are considering doing a green belt or a black belt. And so this is a way to start to explore.